Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave your comments. Tell me what you're doing, how you're handling this. I would love to hear from you. I read every one of my comments. I don't answer them all. I can't. It's just too many of them, but I do read every one of them, and I cherish every one of them. Y'all please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. Today, I want to be upfront with you. I can only do one video today, and I'll tell you why coming up in the update from my wife. Okay, as you know, yesterday she got bad again. They took her back to the cath lab, and as far as I know, they'd done the other stents that they didn't do before. I hadn't talked to the doctor yet. I was supposed to talk to him this morning. But I talked to her like 3 times last night. They didn't get her back to her room until like 7:30 last night. So I talked to her, and she's doing good. She sounds great. She's laughing and joking. She even told me to make sure that I've got my blonde girlfriend out of the house before she gets home. Y'all, I don't have a blonde girlfriend. That's just the way she jokes. But thank God and thank you for all your prayers. Okay, let's get into the stimulus stuff. The Senate is all in agreement about the stimulus check. We just don't know how much or who's going to get it. Senator Ted Cruz stormed out of the meeting, and this is his words. This is how he said it as he was storming out. He said, "What in the hell are we doing?" And my vote is not only a no, but it's a hell no. There were several of them upset because they got their feelings hurt, or they didn't get what they wanted or something. I don't know. But it'll all come out in the wash. After that meeting, the Republican leaders went over and met with the Democrat leaders. And that didn't go too well either. The Republicans came empty-handed. They had no proposal. They had nothing prepared. But they say they are working on a proposal. Like a carpenter going to work without a ruler. Steve Mnuchin said, "We will move quickly and get this passed by the end of the month." Well, that's just next Friday. He better start moving fast. Mitch McConnell was asked, can they pass it by the end of July? Mitch McConnell laughed out loud and said no. Frankly, I don't see nothing funny about it, but apparently Mitch McConnell does. Republicans had decided to put all of their support into a stimulus check instead of the payroll tax cut. They said the payroll tax cut is just too costly. I tend to agree with them. Finally, they're doing something right. Only if they would quit talking and actually do something now. Republicans is pushing for $25 million to go for COVID testing. Now, this is against what President Trump wants. President Trump don't want to spend any money for COVID testing. I think the only way to beat this thing is through testing. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that's asymptomatic. They're still carrying the virus, spreading it to other people. Wouldn't you want to know? It makes sense to me. It's like somebody with cancer. They could be walking around for years with cancer and not know it. Wouldn't you rather know? It's been reported on CNBC that the unemployment boost will be passed at $400 a month. Yeah, a month, not a week. So that's only $100 a week. That's a slap in the face to me. Y'all, everything right now is just talk. Nothing is done until it's signed on the dotted line. They all can say what they want, but the bottom line is, if they want to be reelected into office in November, they will do what's right, or they will be gone. It's that simple. Y'all, I want to thank you again for the prayers for my wife. She is doing much better. And yesterday was a bad day for me. The only thing I'd done all day really was cry and pray. And that brings up something else too I want to address. 99.9% of the people here gave me 100% support when my wife is sick. There's been a couple of people asking, how in the world can you be making these videos when your wife is in the hospital sick? To those people, I will say, because of COVID, I can't go to the hospital. All I can do is sit here in the house by myself and think. Right now, thinking is not a good thing. So, if I don't make these videos, I'm going to go crazy. I need something to keep my mind occupied, and these videos do it. And one more thing. Until you've walked a mile in my shoes, don't judge me. I'm coping with this the best I can. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up, your thumbs down. Leave me your comments. And just remember, I love you all. But remember also, this is the only video I'm going to do today. I will get back to making 2 tomorrow, providing I can get away from my wife to do that. If she needs me, I can only do 1. I promise you I will do the 6 o'clock one. The 1 o'clock one is up in the air right now. We'll just have to wait and see. But just know I love you all, and we will get out of this with our heads held high. Until the next time, ciao.